Hi there, it's Dr. Rosina Walker here from New Beginnings Chiropractic. The theme of the month for this month is hormones, period, and pregnancy. So what are hormones? They're chemical messengers that are made in one part of your body that travel to other parts of your body to help regulate things like your metabolism, your fertility, your growth, all those kinds of wonderful things that keep us alive. They're really, really important, but what we do need to do is keep them under control. Sometimes if they get out of whack, it can cause problems with allergies in our bodies, but it can also cause problems with your period and with infertility as well too. Your period is something that we need to embrace. It's a good check-in to see whether your body is healthy or not and how well those hormones are acting. Also during pregnancy, one of the best things to do is to get yourself adjusted. Not only does that help your body and your pelvis with any low back pain and instability that you may feel, but it can also help your body have an easier birth. What else can we do to help you with hormones and pregnancy? Well, we also could do with some good supplementation. Our pregnancy multivitamin is fantastic to help your body. Your body actually needs at this time more omega-3 or oils to help with the development of a baby's brain. Choline is super important. Folate versus folic acid as well too, as it's a more natural form for your body to absorb. So if you want any more information on this, just have a look at our website or go look at our Instagram or Facebook, have a look at our newsletters or call us on 021 363 503.